Hello friends, welcome to civil engineering exam. Today we're going to see some important points to remember in the civil engineering interviews. So the first point, water absorption of brick should not be more than 20% by its weight. Then pH value of water should not be less than 6. For double rods, minimum of 12 mm diameter should be used. Then chairs minimum of 12 mm diameter was should be used. Dimension tolerance of cube is plus or minus 2 mm. Then longitudinal reinforcement not less than 0.8% and more than 6% of gross cross section. Then the minimum bores in the slabs shall not be less than 8 mm HYSD bores, that is high yield strength deformed bores, or 10 mm plain bores, and the distributors not less than 8 mm and not more than 1 by 8 of the slab thickness. So then the minimum bores of square column is 4 numbers and 6 numbers of circular column. Then minimum thickness of slab is 125 mm. Then lap slice not used for the bore length is 36 mm. In soil filling, as per IS code, 3 samples should be taken from the core cutting test for every 100 meter square. So then in steel reinforcement, binding wire required is 8 kg per metric ton. Compressive strength of bricks is 3.5 Newton per mm square. Then lapping is not allowed for the bores having the diameter more than 36 mm. Then free fall of concrete is allowed maximum to 1.5 meter. So then the electrical conduits shall not run in the column. Earthwork excavation of the basement above 3 meter should be stepped form. So next point, any backfilling shall be compacted 95% of dry density at the optimum moisture content and in layers not more than 200 mm for filling above the structure and 300 mm for no structure. Next point, water used for both mixing and curing shall be clean and free from impurities such as oils, acids, alkalis, salts, sugar and other organic metals. So next point, sample from fresh concrete shall be taken and a least set of 6 cubes of 150 mm shall be prepared and cured. 3 cubes at each 7 days and 28 days shall be tested for compressive strength. So next point, water cement ratio for different grades of concrete shall not be exceed 0.45 for M20 grade concrete and above 0.5 for M10 and M15. So next point, cement shall be stored in the dry places at the site and its perform must be raised above 200 mm above the floor level and 300 mm away from the walls. So next point, a set of cube tests shall be carried out for each 30 cubic meter of concrete. For concrete grades M20 and above, approved admixtures shall be used as per the mixed design requirements. So next point, aggregate which are using in the concrete shall be free from clay, silt and other organic impurities. So next point, size of the coarse aggregate ranges from 4.5 to 80 mm. Next point, for the normal residential building, the normal size of the coarse aggregate ranges from 10 to 20 mm. Then angular shape aggregate is good for concreting purpose. So these are all some important points you have to remember while attending the civil interviews. So again we will see you in next video. Thank you.